Hey, I'm John. Welcome to Mr. G's Workbench, and today we're going to do part 2 of the Mi-24 Hind build using Eduard's limited edition Hind D kit in 1/48 scale. If you recall, in part 1 we built the engine and cabin. We got that completed. It all went together without any kind of drama or anything. I was very happy with it. Today we're going to go ahead, we're going to build the engines, we're going to get the engines installed. We're going to get the transmission or whatever the rotor thingy is. We're going to get that installed. We'll get it all painted up and weathered. I'd like to keep one door open on the engine bay, so depending on how things go, that'll kind of nudge us in the right direction. So we'll have a better idea at the end of this one, okay? So before we get started, big thanks to my channel members. Thank you for your continued support, guys. If you want to become a channel member and help out the progress of the channel, you can hit the join button down below. It's less than $2 US a month. If you can do it, it's greatly appreciated. Everything goes towards making the channel run a little bit better. And thank you to everyone who subscribes. I appreciate your support as well. We're approaching 2,100 subscribers, right at like 2,097 or something. It's always overwhelming for me. It's very flattering. I appreciate the support. So without further ado, let's jump in on the Hind and get those engines assembled. So I've got, I did a brown wash over the engines. Then I went back, did a black wash over the transmission case. And this scoop here. Everything back here got a black wash. And I just have to hit everything with a satin coat to seal it in. The only problem I had was this right engine wasn't aligned properly as the other one is. If you look here, you can see that Zvezda has this piece here, and it's got curves that are supposed to match the intakes of the engines. This one was jutting out to the right, and I couldn't get it lined up. And I came to realize the problem was there's a piece here. It's a W-shaped piece called G7. There's one on each side, and it's got pegs that on the outer sides that have points that they go into, but on the insides there's like a slot in this firewall here that the other side of that W-shaped piece fits into, and I had to trim a piece of this one off to get these lined up. But now, problem solved. Let me just hit this with a satin coat, and I think we're going to be done for today. So engines are in, and I'm pretty happy with it. Everything's up, again, up till now, everything's fitting together well. I'm happy with the way everything looks. Probably going to leave those access doors open to the engine and transmission on the right-hand side. Let me know what you think of them. Let me know if you think that's a good idea. Let me know down below in the comments. And let me know what you think of this shorter video format as well. Breaking the construction down instead of having one big, I built everything and then the next part is I painted everything. Let me know if you think this is a better way to go. So until we get together again next time, thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you hated what you saw, give me a thumbs down and lambaste me in the comments. And I hope to see you guys next time. Take care and stay well.